Is it the right time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, February 13, 2024. Today, we're going to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since February 6, 2024, our system has identified Apple as a sell candidate, with a score of -3.06. Now, let's examine how the stock performed during this period. Apple experienced a loss of -2.25%. This means that on average, the stock has declined by -0.38% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently experiencing a downward trend in the short term, suggesting a potential further decrease. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected -2.18% change over the next 3 months. The potential return falls within a range of -5.20% to 3.22%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected 19.34% change over the next year. The potential return falls within a range of 13.93% to 31.17%. This indicates a price range of $210.81 to $242.72 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, "Red Day on Tuesday for Apple stock after losing 1.13%. On Tuesday, February 13, 2024, the Apple stock price experienced a decline of 1.13%, dropping from $187.15 to $185.04. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.47%, reaching a low of $183.51 and a high of $186.21. Over the past 2 weeks, there has been a loss of 1.6%. Although volume increased by 13 million shares on the last day, the prices were falling. This could be considered an early warning, with a slight increase in risk expected over the next few days. A total of 54 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $10.01 billion. In the past 52 weeks, the highest price for Apple stock was $199.62, while the lowest price was $143.90. Currently, the stock price is 7.3% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $14.58. It is also 18.93% below the all-time high, which was reached on August 30, 2018, with a price of $228.26. Analyst ratings. On Friday, February 2, 2024, Goldman Sachs upgraded Apple with an outperform grade. On Thursday, February 1, 2024, Piper Sandler rated Apple as overweight with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 30, 2024, Wedbush gave Apple an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities upgraded Apple with a buy grade. On Thursday, January 18, 2024, Bank of America Securities rated Apple as negative with a upgrade action. Analysts have given Apple stock a general rating of strong buy. They consider the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a rating of strong buy. Here are the latest signals for Apple. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.347%. The upward trend is expected to continue until a new top pivot is identified. However, there are also some negative signals that may affect the stock's short-term development. Both short-term and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for Apple. Additionally, the relation between these two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average being above the short-term average. During upward corrections, the stock may face resistance at $187.96 and $188.47. If the stock breaks above these levels, it will trigger buy signals. The 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently shows a sell signal. Yesterday, volume increased despite falling prices, which could be an early warning sign that requires closer monitoring of the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is showing a sell signal. The pivots indicator gave a buy signal 10 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The short-term moving average is showing a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 10 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average is showing a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average is showing a sell signal 21 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 56 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Apple. Apple's stock finds support from accumulated volume at $183.63. This means that when the stock reaches this level, it may present a buying opportunity as we can expect an upwards reaction. Apple is a stock that is usually traded at a good volume, and it experiences minor daily changes. This indicates that the risk associated with trading this stock is considered to be low. In fact, in the last day, the stock moved $2.70, 1.47%, between its highest and lowest points. Looking at the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 1.2%. Before we explore potential trading levels for Apple, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Apple's PE ratio falls within a normal range, which is often seen in well-established businesses with predictable revenues. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Apple's Q1 2024 is expected to be released on May 2, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $1.51. It's important to keep a close watch on these figures as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's dive into some potential day trading levels for Apple. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $185.85. If you're not yet a shareholder, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you already own the stock, this could be an ideal level to consider for swing trading. On the flip side, Apple encounters its initial support level at $183.63. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, indicating a potential rebound in the stock's price. The average rating for Apple from multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner conducted an insider buy, purchasing 1852 shares of common stock. Also on February 1, 2024, Susan Wagner conducted an insider sell, selling 1852 shares of restricted stock unit. On February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider buy, purchasing 1852 shares of common stock. And on February 1, 2024, Ronald D. Sugar conducted an insider sell, selling 1852 shares of restricted stock unit. Furthermore, on February 1, 2024, Monica C. Lozano conducted an insider buy, purchasing 1852 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is calculated to be negative with a ratio of -18.863. In these trades, insiders purchased a total of 2,289,985 shares and sold 3,425,457 shares. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this stock, and it is important to note that no stop loss has been set. Is Apple stock a good buy? Currently, Apple stock is showing several negative signals and is in a falling trend. As a result, our evaluation suggests that it will continue to perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price of Apple stock is overvalued. On Wednesday, February 14th, we anticipate Apple to open down $0.119 and begin trading at $184.92. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. Therefore, it's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? We value your engagement, so remember to like and subscribe. Our team here at Stock Invest wishes you successful trading and a beautiful day.